This is a short descriptive video of a Copal flip alarm clock, model 703. Glass front with the Copal embedded in it, very nice. You see the alarm, you see the clock. It's a 12-hour clock, so it says either AM or PM. You see the motor spinning for the flip-flop. Nerds among us, yes, it is blue and not red. I haven't seen that before very often. So you set the time, the alarm, and here you turn on and off the alarm. So yeah, you see it's working very nicely and very silently. This has a nice feature, so when we turn on the alarm, it is set. It will only sound for about 8 seconds, then it will be silent for about a minute, then it will sound again. So it's a very nice and soothing way to wake up. Just wait for that to sound. It may take a while. Meantime, I will just give you a very nicely organically shaped. It's actually the back that comes off when you open it up. It's one big piece. New cable, new plug. There you go. So this will buzz for about 8 seconds. And then it stops, and it takes about a minute, and it will buzz again for 8 seconds. So for those of you that don't want to be awakened rudely, this is the perfect clock. Let me just give you a quick look at the label there. Model 703, 12-hour clock, 230 volts, give or take some 50 Hz. That's it. Thank you for watching.